Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make a delicious apple pie without cinnamon. We'll explore exciting spice alternatives that bring unique flavors to your dessert. You'll also learn how to choose the perfect apples to ensure a balanced and flavorful filling. Getting the right mix of sweet and tart apples is key for a truly memorable pie, even without traditional spices. Let's dive into some fantastic spice substitutes. Nutmeg is a classic choice, adding a comforting warmth and subtle sweetness. For something more adventurous, try cardamom. Its bright, citrusy notes are truly delightful. Allspice is another excellent option, as it naturally blends the flavors of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg, giving you a familiar yet distinct taste.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. While you're baking, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It can play your favorite tunes or even set a timer for your pie. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Selecting the right apples is crucial for a great pie. I recommend using a blend of sweet and tart varieties, like Granny Smith for tang and Honeycrisp for sweetness. Brie-burn apples also hold up well during baking. Remember to slice your apples uniformly, about 1/4 of an inch thick, so they cook evenly and create a perfect texture in every bite. Beyond spices, other ingredients can significantly enhance your pie's flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the apples and prevents browning. Don't forget vanilla extract. It adds a wonderful, comforting aroma and depth. Using brown sugar instead of just white sugar can also introduce a lovely caramel note, complementing the apples beautifully for a truly rich taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.